Right, we're about to jump on the ferry across from, where are we? Ketapan to Gilmanuk. See how it goes in the pissing rain. After yet another 7-hour train journey, we've just got on board the ferry at Ketapan. I don't know why, but all the train journeys seem to be 7 hours long. 7 hours from Malang to Ketapan. So we're on the ferry, we're about to head across to Bali, getting off at Gilmanuk in about 30 minutes after we set sail.
It's pissing it down with rain, basically. So we're hoping for some sunshine when we get to Bali, because we just want to have a week of a bit of R&R and downtime before we decide where to go next.
I think I've negotiated a decent rate for a taxi to take us from Gilmanuk all the way down to Kuta, which is about a 4-hour drive. We'll find out. 700 IDR, no, 700,000 IDR. We've just got off at Gilmanuk. Somewhat sketchy looking driver we're about to get in with. Could be our last video.
Hopefully not.
We're following our driver. We've just got off the boat. He's got a nice top on, we'll give him that. The top of an axe murderer, probably. We've landed at Gilmanuk. We've just jumped in a car. Minimum 4, maybe 5-hour drive down to Kuta, to our hotel. All very sketchy. Hopefully we'll make it alive. "15 hours after leaving this morning, we've arrived at our apartment in Kuta. I think we're both knackered, but it is late, and I think we probably need to go out and get a beer. Fancy a beer?
Cool beer sounds good. Let's do it. We've just arrived at Kuta Beach in Bali. We've literally dropped off our beer. We've dropped off our bags at our very nice apartment, which is just a minute's walk from the beachfront, and we are enjoying a nice cool beer. It's my first of the holiday. Been a bit restricted for the last couple of weeks in Java, where alcohol is pretty much forbidden, but this is amazing. Is it amazing, Mark?
Amazing.
Amazing. He's a happy man. He's got beer.